Hello everyone, I'm Lauren and today I'm going to show y'all how I get my everyday fall waves using some of my favorite Paul Mitchell products. So of course I'm going to start out with my favorite heat protectant, which is the Flexible Heat Style Hot Off the Press Heat Protectant. So the key thing to remember when creating this style is to take very large sections of your hair when wrapping it around the barrel. This is just going to ensure that the waves are big and bouncy instead of getting very small ringlet style curls. For any other style, I would normally section my hair off and curl my hair from the bottom to the top, but for this particular hairstyle, I don't do that and I will just curl around my head. This definitely does make a difference when creating this style. So instead of sectioning my hair off, I will curl around my head. So of course I have to mention that I am using my favorite curling wand, which is the Paul Mitchell 3-in-1 curling wand, and I use this all the time. It is my favorite. It creates the perfect waves and curls. So now I'm just going to take my paddle brush and softly brush the waves out. This is just going to add the perfect finishing touch. It marries everything together for the perfect waves. And for this particular hairstyle, I like to tuck my hair behind one ear, and it just, to me, just adds a little bit of character to the style and just gives it a completely different look. And now I'm just going to finish it off with my favorite finishing spray. And there you have it. These are my everyday fall waves. Be sure to check back every week for new videos. Bye guys.